Me again with another testing toy short. I got another Geotrax midnight Flier, I believe. Could be wrong. As you see there, I already put the batteries in. The light is on there. This one is not complete. So yeah, we have that because it's missing a couple of cars, I think. This is going to be. Let's push that back. Let's give it more room. You can hear. So, like I did with my last video, I'm gonna do the wheels because, like I said, a lot of people ask about that. There it goes. The wheels are working. The remote is working. Everything is working. If you would like to purchase this, you can purchase it through the link down below. Yep. Or through eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, Depop, wherever you prefer. But hurry. Anyway, thanks again.